Welcome back to Shem's Universe. So today, guys, we're going to discuss Taurus Sun and Scorpio Moon. So this is a very interesting one because these are opposite signs to each other. They make up for the seventh disposition, and for this given reason, it's a very, very peculiar sort of mix. The Taurus Sun, as we know, is very materialistic, very luxury-seeking. They like the nice conveyances of life. Scorpio, when it's in the moon position, goes to the exact opposite. It goes to the spiritual depths of life. It makes you very intuitive, psychic, clairvoyant, and somebody who can really see through societal norms and see how it's sort of feasible. It's just not real in that sort of sense. This makes up for the seventh disposition, like I said. So when it comes to partnerships, trading, marketplaces, all of these things is what the major topic of this combination sort of lies around. And with that being said, there's a lot of misinterpretation when these people go to make partnerships with other people or go in society as a whole. The reason behind this is, for one, Taurus Sun and Scorpio Moon make temporary enemies in their set positions that they're in. So the Taurus Sun wants them, their instincts want them to more so go towards riches, but their mind and thought patterns go towards spiritual realization and metaphysics. So when they're in contact with other people, they might see a contradicting character that can prove to be very hard to trust. So if this is your combination, you have to be very wary of that and understand the depths in which your path lies, because you have two options. You can either go the Taurus route, where you go the materialistic route, which will still lead you to spiritual realization regardless along the way, or you can just go straight into the metaphysical, spiritual, non-tangible world, where you're going after your passions. It really all depends on your economic situation and what other planets are in your chart and where they're directing you. With that being said, Scorpio Moon, the moon is debilitated within Scorpio. So as a result of that, it really has a hard time with understanding your own emotions. You could be rather cold in nature, and you could have even had sort of a past that's traumatic, or at least at the very least, just emotionally shallow. So with that being said, it's very hard for you to make that sort of connection with other people. This is the major problem that you're going to have throughout life. The best way to get around this is to practice your networking skills, practice charm, practice charisma, read self-help books that can help you actualize your potential, and then get a very clear path. You guys that's two fixed signs. You guys very much know what you want to do, but stick with what you want to do and find like-minded people, such as a mastermind group, that can help you go where you would actually like to go. That's going to be the very crucial part for you guys. And with that being said, you'll be able to get ahead if you actually utilize these facts correctly. So that's it for the video, guys. If you have any questions for me whatsoever, just please leave in the comment section. Aside from that, like, subscribe, holla.